Hello and welcome back to the channel. Thanks for stopping by for yet another video. I do appreciate that and I appreciate you. So some bad news for Japan possibly, as we already know what Storm Lan did as it crossed over Japan. You know, heavy flooding, some landslides, um, a decent amount of destruction it left in its wake. And now we have Tropical Storm Saola headed towards Okinawa, Japan. Um, it says the tropical storm Saola formed late September 23rd, so that was a couple of days ago, south of Guam in the Pacific Ocean as the 22nd named storm of 2017 Pacific typhoon season. It says Saola is expected to strengthen into a Category 1 hurricane equivalent within a couple of days as it approaches Okinawa. So, again, this one doesn't seem like it's going to be as powerful as Lan was, which is, I guess, some good news. But it goes on to say, as of 900 UTC on October 25th, Saola's center was located about 930 miles east of Manila, Philippines, and about 1120 miles southeast of Taipei, Taiwan, and 938 miles southeast of Okinawa, Jima, Japan. It goes on to say that the system is headed northwest at 13.8 miles per hour with maximum sustained winds of 46 miles per hour and gusts up to 58 miles per hour, according to the Joint Typhoon Warning Center. It goes on to say that animated multispectral imagery depicts a poorly organized system with flaring deep convection located to the south of a broad low-level circulation center, the center noted. Saola is expected to continue tracking northwest for the next 48 hours and then turn northeast. It also says that the system will maintain its intensity over the next 12 hours as it continues to organize and consolidate. Weak overflow conditions will prevent the rapid intensification, however, within the next 48 hours. After that, a brief period of intensification will occur as outflow conditions become improved through interaction with the mid-latitude westerlies. It says on the current forecast track, Saola will approach Okinawa Jima early October 28th with peak winds of 75 miles per hour. Then it will possibly turn northeast towards the mainland of Japan and track parallel to Japan through October 30th while weakening. It says while the system is not expected to intensify at the same level as Lan, it will likely strengthen into at least a strong typhoon within the next couple of days. That will be done in just enough time to cause some problems for those in Okinawa, meteorologist Jonathan O. said. It says the current track from Japan Meteorological Agency has the storm moving awfully close to Okinawa with the circle of concern including the islands in the region. Should this forecast hold together, those living in the area should expect deteriorating conditions by late Friday with strong winds, high surf, and significant rainfall. So as you can see here, it may actually pass off the coast, but this whole area, this huge circles, is basically where this storm could end up. So it could hit Japan directly, it could hit off the coast, or it could miss altogether. So I think we're just going to have to wait and see on this one because it does say that the wild card is this current setup is a significant trough that is expected to drop out of Russia and moving through Mongolia and China. The timing of this trough is critical in the forecast, Jonathan said. So basically, I guess if this trough comes out of Russia and China, it may push this storm out further into the ocean, possibly missing Japan, um, pretty much altogether. I'm sure they'll still get some rain or whatnot, but again, I guess it's too early to tell. We're gonna have to watch this storm for a while, and at least for the next few days to see what happens. But as soon as there's more information, I'll be sure to report that. It seems like the same areas that keep getting hit by storms. The UK, Ireland, Japan here lately, the East Coast of the U.S. I mean, and even in the Gulf, we had. I mean, it's just maybe this is normal every year, but it just seems like this same keep getting pounded by these storms without almost no relief in between. It seems like a few days, at most a week, and then boom, they're hit with another huge storm. So again, my thoughts and prayers go out to everyone that's been affected by all the storms this year, but especially here lately in Japan. Hopefully this one, it's not supposed to be as powerful. It may possibly miss Japan altogether. We don't really know yet, so we're gonna have to stay tuned and over the next few days and find out where this storm's really actually going to go. So again, thanks for supporting the channel and watching these videos. I do appreciate you. Be sure to share, like, subscribe, and comment down below. I hope you have a great day. Peace.